Hey, I'm Hamed. In the next 4 minutes, you'll discover how $100 can build real wealth. No finance degree needed, no rich parents required. Here's the truth. Your $100 sitting in a bank is shrinking every single day. Inflation eats roughly 3 to 5% per year. That's not saving, that's slow motion losing. Most people don't know the platform you choose matters more than the stock you pick. Use fee-free apps like Trading212, Free Trade, or Vanguard, and stick around. Scene 5 reveals the one strategy that beats 73% of professionals. Let's be real. Why would you pay tax on gains when you don't have to? Open a stocks and shares ISA. Every penny of profit stays yours. It's completely legal and completely genius. Here's what changed everything. Index funds. One single fund gives you hundreds of companies instantly. Warren Buffett himself recommends them. They beat 73% of professional fund managers over 15 years. Put your $100 into a global index fund. Done. Nobody tells you this. $100 monthly at 10% average returns becomes over $200,000 in 30 years. Read that again. You didn't invest $200K. You invested $36K. Compound interest did the heavy lifting. Would you rather start now or wish you had? Imagine this. Future you looking back at today. The only regret? Not starting sooner. Time in the market always beats timing the market. Your first 100 is your most powerful. It buys the habit. If this video hits different, drop it in the comments right now. Subscribe and hit that bell for weekly wealth secrets. Tell me, what's your first investment going to be? I read every single comment. Let's build wealth together.